Charlie Munger Ultimate Investment Strategy. Munger reiterates his investment strategy for stocks and companies. He says he aims to buy an intrinsically good business which an idiot could run and do all right. If he has to choose between a good person and a good business, he would choose the good business. This is not related to the character of the person, but related to the strength of the business. For example, you could also have a great entrepreneur, but they may be managing a bad business. This goes back to Warren Buffett, Trade's Portfolio's philosophy of investing in simple businesses which are easy to understand. Management is still an important part of the equation, and Munger looks for a wonderful person to be in charge. For example, Munger identified the founder of Chinese EV maker BYD as being a wonderful person, describing him as a cross between Bill Gates and Thomas Edison. Due to this, he urged Buffett to invest in BYD. Should you time the stock market? Munger believes in the classic saying, time in the market is better than trying to time the market. He is continuously invested even though he has seen his Berkshire Hathaway stock decline by over 50% more than 4 times. Therefore, as retail investors, we can apply the same philosophy to our own stocks and investments, which may also decline by significant sums, especially in the current market environment. The problem with timing the market is that if we buy and sell at the wrong times, it can easily backfire, which is why it's usually better to stay invested, according to Munger. Referencing the poem If by Rudyard Kipling, Munger says it's a great idea to keep your head when everyone else is losing theirs and treat success and failure all the same. Remember, the goal of investing is to buy low and sell high. However, most investors get spooked at the slightest decline in the share price of a stock. I personally believe it's best not to check your portfolio daily and always make sure you invest into businesses you understand. How to negotiate. Munger believes the best negotiation strategy for business or life is win/win. You are aiming for both sides to have a perceived gain, or one side will likely feel scorned and not be interested in repeat business. To accomplish a win/win strategy, it requires sensitivity to the other person's style of thinking, wants, and needs. As trust is built over time, amazing things can be accomplished. For example, Munger is on the board of Costco and states the company uses the win/win strategy with its customers, employees, and suppliers. This is despite Costco being known for its hard bargaining position with its prospective suppliers. Munger also praises Peter Kaufman, the CEO of Glenair and author of Munger's Almanac, as Kaufman looks after his customers and aims to create a win/win situation. Munger and real estate investing. Munger is an Omaha native like Buffett, but unlike Buffett, he prefers the warmer temperatures of California. He first moved to Los Angeles, California in the 1940s in order to practice law and has stayed ever since. Munger's home is on one of the best streets in Pasadena and nearby to other financial figures such as economics expert Jeff Leitzinger and even Wayne Manor from the Batman movies. Pasadena is also home to Caltech, one of the most prestigious universities in the world, and the university where Munger studied meteorology in 1943. Munger is not just an investor, he also finances the building of real estate as a side hustle. Munger has previously financed and designed student residence halls at the University of Michigan and UC Santa Barbara. Some of his projects have been criticized for their windowless design, but that's another story. In 1989, Munger developed the Coastal Sea Meadow community in the swanky town of Montecito. This area has an average home sale value of $5.5 million today and is home to celebrities such as Oprah and Ariana Grande. Munger recently returned to Sea Meadow and purchased a second home worth an estimated $11 million. Munger has also invested into Redlands, California previously, hence the talk at this event. Munger said a key trait to his success in real estate is he focuses on actually caring for the properties. He criticizes many apartment management companies which just milk the properties. In the first year, Munger spent an estimated $600,000 on just trees to make the area look nicer. Although this is a great thing to do, Munger admits there is also financial interest. He likes to identify projects where a confluence of two factors, namely doing good and being profitable, work together seamlessly. Munger also believes you don't need to be a genius to do well in real estate. He admits to using old-fashioned horse common sense and a little arithmetic to be successful. Although, it is clear both Munger and Buffett are very humble about their success traits. They make the exceptional look easy. Similar to stocks, with real estate investing you make your money when you buy it, if you paid below fair value. There are a couple of extra factors I personally love about real estate investing, the first of which is cash flow from rental income. The second is you can add value to the property and market it better in order to obtain a higher selling price. However, with stocks, this is of course not possible, except for investment banks helping with a company IPO. Importance of having fun in business. Both Buffett and Munger have always expressed the importance of having fun in business and life. Buffett has stated in the past he tap dances to work. In this interview, Munger stated he has had fun fixing up apartments and reselling them. He believes the best way to get what you want in life is to deserve what you want. In business, this means taking care of the customers and clients in order to generate goodwill and referrals for the future. Success hacks. There are many so-called hacks to Munger's success. A notable hack Munger uses regularly is inversion. When he wants to solve a problem, he simply flips it around. A notable time Munger used this tactic was when he was a weatherman in the Air Force. He asked what risks would kill the pilots, then he highlighted that type of weather pattern as a focused area to avoid.